woke up early this morning, sat on the side of my bed. Visions of each and every one of you came rushing into my head. I sat there for just a moment longer, enchanted by the view. What I saw and what I see now is beyond beautiful. I see diversity and inclusion, unlike any other. I see caring and compassion, like a sister to a brother. I see experience and expertise from the young and the young at heart. And I see brilliance and excellence shining brighter than a northern star. It's you who make the Home Depot one of the greatest companies on this planet. So thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Virginia. Thank you, Paul. And thank you, Janet. Thanks to each and every one of you for everything that you do, for all the sacrifices that you make, and making dreams come true. And because this world is so filled with darkness and emotions run hot to the touch, I pray for you each and every day. I pray for you all so much. May your homes be filled with joy and laughter, good times and good cheer. And I wish you all the most happiest of holidays and the most prosperous New Year.